Tissue. Tissue. Tissue are groups of cells that have a similar structure and act together to perform a specific function. Tissues are of two types, plant tissue and animal tissue. Plant tissue. Plant tissues are two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue, it is responsible for growth of plant. Meristematic tissue has the ability to divide and redivide to provide growth to plants. Generally, growth of plants occur from specific reason like root and shoot, nodes, girth of stem, leaf bases, etc. Meristematic tissue are three types: lateral meristematic, intercalary meristematic, and apical meristematic. Apical meristematic plant tissue. Apical meristem region of cells capable of division and growth in the root and shoot tips in plants. Apical meristem give rise to the primary growth of plant body. It is responsible for the examination of the roots and shoots. Intercalary meristematic tissue. It is located in the leaves and internodes at the intercalary position. These help to increase the length of the internode. It is found in grass, monocot, and pines. It is a part of apical meristem and adds to the height of the plant. Lateral meristematic tissue. It is located in the stem and roots on the lateral side. It increases the thickness of the plant. Vacuolar cambium and core cambium are the two lateral meristem. These divide perclinically or radially and give rise to secondary permanent tissue. Permanent plant tissue, the tissue that are completely grow and has lost the ability to division, are known as permanent tissue. They divide and differentiate to form the permanent tissue. They have definite shape, size, and thickness. These are two types. Simple permanent plant tissue. These tissues are simple. They are made up of only one type of cells. These are three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Parenchyma. The cells have an oval or round shape. The cell wall is made up of hemicellulose or cellulose. The cell is thin walled. The cells have vacuoles and very small nucleus. It is found in all parts of the plant. The protoplasm is living and dense. Collenchyma. Cells are long and thick walled. The cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. It is the only tissue with the highest refractive index due to the presence of pectin. It is found in the epidermis and the vascular bundle of dicot leaf. The almost of chloroplast is less in the cells. The cells have no intercellular spaces. Sclerenchyma. These are dead tissue, very hard and rigid in texture. Cells are thick walled with various sizes and shapes. These provide mechanical support and rigidity to the plant. Complex tissues. The complex tissues are made up of various types of cells. Cells coordinate to perform common function. Its function is to transport water, mineral and food materials. These are of two types: vascular tissues like xylem and phloem. Xylem, it transports water nutrients from the roots to the leaves of the plant. It provides support to the plants. It is divided into tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchyma. Phloem. It is located the prepared organic food from the leaves to different parts of the plant. It is